end of this video, you are going to learn how to create hyperlink in Microsoft Word. If you want to add any hyperlink in your document or any word, just simply select the word, go to Insert tab. Here you can see the hyperlink option. Click on it. If you want to add current folder or choose any folder from here, this is an article. I select this one, click on it. Now you can see this word convert as a hyperlink. Press Ctrl button and click on this. Then click yes. You can see the document open here. If you want to remove this, right click on it. Simply remove from here. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new updates.